Today we are going to decode words that have the PH digraph in them. A digraph are when two letters come together, but they only make one sound. When PH come together, they make the F sound. They make the F sound. So we use PH to make the F sound. PH says F. Try it with me. Ready? F. Good job. Okay, let's make some words. Are you ready? Okay, I see we have one vowel. It is the letter I. I can see that it is a closed syllable. So the I says I. So now that I know what the I says, we can sound out this word. Are you ready? Fill. Let's do that again. Tap and stretch. Fill. Let's say it fast. Ready? Fill. Say it fast. Fill. Yeah, this is the name Phil, or short for Philip. And that means our P would normally be capitalized, wouldn't it? Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so I see with this word that we have two vowels. So it must be a magic E vowel team, right? And that means that E is silent, but O says his name. O. Now that we know the vowel sound, we can sound out this word. Are you ready? Phone. Good. Let's do it again. Phone. Good. Say it fast. Phone. Say it fast. Phone. Yes, this is the word phone, like your cell phone. Good job. Okay, let's look at this new word. The new word has a vowel team in it. That means that these two vowels are working together as a team. It is a magic E team or a silent E team, right? That means our E is silent. He doesn't make a sound of his own, but he helps A say his name. And so this vowel says A. Now that we know the vowel sound, we're able to read the word. Are you ready? Let's do it. Phase. Good, let's do it again. Phase. Say it fast. Phase. Phase. Yeah, what phase of the TV show are you in? Right? What season? What phase? What part? Exactly. Good job. Let's try another one. Wow, look at this word. This is a big one. Okay, now we still have the same vowel team. So E is silent, but he lets A say his name. So A says A. So now we can sound this out. So now that we know our vowel sound, we can sound out this word. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Phrase. Let's do it again. Phrase. Say it fast. Phrase. Say it fast. Phrase. Yeah, a phrase or something that you would say, right? Good job. Okay, let's try another one. We're going to have our PH at the end this time. Okay, we have built a word and we want to identify our vowel. Our vowel is an A. It's all by itself and it's closed in. See, there's letters behind it. It's closed in. So that means that our A has to say its short sound. Ah, right? And since it has to say ah, we now can sound out our word because we know what our vowel says. So let's sound it out. Are you ready? Graph. Good, do it again. Graph. Say it fast. Graph. Say it fast. Graph. Yeah. A graph of math problems, maybe, right? Good job learning the digraph PH that says